Hello everyone, welcome to HackBio 2020 internship program. This is Marufa Bhuya from Team Sanger. I'm going to show you how we generated a script that will produce a CSV file with all the details from our team members that were submitted in the GitHub repository. To do that, I'm going to go to this folder that contains our script. I'm going to type change directory, that is cd, to the folder that contains the file. And I'm going to see all the contents of this folder by typing ls, that is list. These are all the files. So the global underscore csv.sh, this is our script. We're going to open this script using cat command, that is catenation. Before doing that, I'm going to clear this terminal. So let's open the script. This is our script. In the first line, you can see starts with a hash, and this represents that this is a comment. In most programming languages, the hash sign is used for commenting. In the second line, we are using a hash command along with a exclamation point. Together, this is known as shabang or hashbang, and this is also known in many other names. And we are using the bash interpreter, and this is the location of the bash interpreter. Next, we are going to clone the folder that contains all the script generated by our team members from the GitHub repository using the command git clone and the URL. So basically this is going to download this folder. Next, we are going from this directory, I'm currently in this directory, to inside this directory by using the command change command and the directory name. Next, we are going to give execution privilege, that is represented by +X, by using the command chmod, that stands for changing mode, to all files whose name starts with a script. So this is a wildcard search. Any file that starts with a script will be given execution privilege by this command. Next, we'll be going through all the files that starts with the script name using this ls list. We're going to list all the files that will start with the script name, and we're using this for loop to do that. And this is a variable that will index the number of script files in this folder. And for each index number, this for loop will be executed. So if suppose there are 10 files, script files in this folder, so they are going to be indexed using number 1, 2, and so on to up to 10. And for each file, this is the index for number 1 file. This is going to execute this loop, and for each file up to the number of script files, this is going to execute this loop. Next, let's see what this represents. So we are giving the index number which file will be executed inside this command. This is known as piping in bash. So what this does is it takes the output of this command and links both these commands and gives the output of this command as input to this command. So as you can see here, awk. So awk actually is a scripting language that that is used for data processing and text manipulation, and we're giving the index number which will be executed in this command, and each script file generates 5 portions: the name, the email address, the language used, the Slack username, and the BIOS tag used by the user. So these 5 portions is going to get funneled into this CSV file, and this is known as redirection. What this means is that all the output from this total command will be funneled into the CSV file. Now, one important thing to notice here is that we are using two greater than signs. What this does is this takes the output of each loop and funnels into this CSV file one after the other. If we used a single greater than sign, for each loop, the previous output would have been deleted from the CSV file. So ultimately only the last output would have been in this folder. So we're using this double greater sign, which writes in this CSV file in append mode. That means nothing is being replaced, everything is being printed in this CSV file one after the other. So which will finally, for each script file, we are going to execute this loop, which will print all 30 members of our team, details of 30 members of our team into the CSV file. So I hope I was able to make you understand what our script does, and thank you very much.